DBOS Analytics Engine version 1.0, matchup and parlay construction log. Matchup: Las Vegas Aces 17-7, 10-2 away, at Toronto Tempo 10-15, 6-9 home. System execution track order: player stability, matchup, game script, and odds. Pre-game context and system filters. Team environment: Las Vegas scoring volume sits at a dominant 89.9 ppg versus Toronto's struggling defense, giving up 92.3 ppg. Toronto allows a high-pace environment, but is heavily depleted. Player availability and injury replacements. Rule number 6. Las Vegas Aces: Kierstan Bell out, Mai Yamamoto out, Janiah Barker OFS. Rotation remains highly stable with core starters carrying heavy minute security. Toronto Tempo: Nyara Sabally out, Brittney Sykes out, Kiki Rice out. A severely damaged interior and backcourt rotation leaves Toronto heavily reliant on a few key options, shifting massive defensive pressure to counter Io Wilson. Blowout protection screening. Rule number 5. Las Vegas is favored by a hefty minus 11.5 spread, opening line minus 9.5, with a 67.5% ESPN matchup predictor probability. While not fully crossing the severe 15-plus point blowout penalty, the model will actively apply rule number 5 point floor scaling to protect fourth quarter rest limits. Individual high ceiling marks are insulated downward. 2. Parlay ladder architecture. Rule number 2 and rule number 4 correlation validation. Level 1. Foundation legs, highest confidence / high minute volume floors. Io Wilson to score 20-plus points. Justification: season leader averaging 25.5 ppg playing against the Toronto defense, giving up 92.3 ppg. Downwardly adjusted from her ceiling, using rule number 5 blowout protection to safeguard against a potential late-game bench clearing. Io Wilson to record 8-plus rebounds. Justification: averages 9.8 rpg. Toronto's interior depth is compromised with Nyara Sabally sidelined, protecting a highly reliable baseline floor well beneath her seasonal output. Marina Mabrey to score 15-plus points * justification. Leading active scorer for Toronto at 21.3 ppg. With Sykes and Rice out, her usage rate and field goal volume are completely locked into 30-plus minute security, forcing her to bear the brunt of the scoring burden. Las Vegas Aces plus 3.5 alternate spread insulation * justification. Massive structural cushion, buying major protection on the opening minus 9.5 and current minus 11.5 line movement to anchor the ticket. Level 2. Value legs, moderate confidence and rotation stability. Chelsea Gray to record 4-plus assists. Justification: primary facilitator anchoring the team at 7.4 APG. The system correlates guard distributions directly to target teammate scoring volume, Wilson, against Toronto's high pace. High points against schema. Final authorized DBOS system ticket. Bet type: standard same-game parlay, 5 legs. Leg count: 5, safely inside the standard 5 to 6 analytic boundary limits. Selections: Io Wilson, 20-plus points. Io Wilson, 8-plus rebounds. Marina Mabrey, 15-plus points. Chelsea Gray, for plus assists. Las Vegas Aces, plus 3.5 alternate handicap. DBOS bet grade, B+, high stability playable base. Reasoning: minute distributions and usage matrices are incredibly strong due to Toronto's severe injury vacancies. Applying lowered point floor scaling protect the ticket from unexpected early fourth quarter blowout rests, making it highly secure.